Hello friends, in this video we learn how to fix screen resolution problem in Windows 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Click on Start, then Settings. Now in here left click on Display. Now underneath Scale and Layout, guys, change the size of text, apps and other items. You can select as your need, and also you can change and set display resolution. In my case it's 9020. It's recommended. It can be different as your laptop size. So there are options you can select which is proper for your PC size. So guys, it's a quick way and simple settings to resolve screen problem in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel.